Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the iPhone battery health once again. Apple has an article out there saying that the iPhone 14 and below should be able to charge around 500 charge cycles before reaching 80% capacity, while the iPhone 15 models, that's the 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, all those phones should be able to get around 1,000 charge cycles before they reach 80% capacity. Now, mine has 134 cycles and we're still at 100% right there. I'm not doing anything special. I am on the beta, so this is kind of all jacked up right now on the charging limit. As you can see, it just says charging title, and they aren't really named correctly, but this is just optimized battery charging. This is the fixed limit, which is the 80%, and then this is just the optimized charging off. So I've always just left it on the optimized charging, which really only does much at night to prevent the phone from charging past 80% until it gets closer to time when you wake up and start using your phone. That's really all I do in terms of battery care. I don't do any charging, any special charging or any special chargers or slow charging or anything like that. I just plug it into my Anchor charger, which is a fast charger, or just like a USB hub or something like that. And that is where we are currently at for battery health and the maximum capacity. Now, I have seen some people that are around 200 cycles, and I've seen some phones as low as 92 to 94%, again around 200 to 250 cycles on those. So I don't really see those in their use case making it to around 1,000 cycles with 80% left. Not at the rate they're going, but again, they do say that this is under optimal conditions, so it's going to depend on how you charge your phone, how you use your phone, if you're charging it in hot environments, that kind of stuff. But normal battery health as well as 100% maximum capacity right now on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I will of course update you guys on how this does over the life of the phone, at least as long as I have it. I will update you guys if anything changes majorly, but that is what Apple says, 1,000 cycles for the 15 series before dropping below 80% maximum capacity. And as far as the warranty and Apple Care, to get a warranty or Apple Care replacement for free, you do have to be below that 80% before they will do anything, or have like degraded battery health right up there on the top. So if you get down to like 85, 90% and you're at like 300 or 400 cycles, you're kind of just going to be stuck with it, or you're going to have to pay for a battery replacement out of pocket, which, they're under $100, so it's not really a huge deal, but still, that is how it is. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.